Vicent Pala, President ke MPCC uloong ba umla banlen ba ka Block Congress Committee kala thoh shu ba ki Kwah ba Dr. Didi Lapang unwan ban pyniasnoh Biang yela de Seng Congress ba dia kane uloong ha jingiakren ba pathai khubor. Laban pinkan ma hongne bo Dr. Lapang lamino na Seng Congress House nam arja khatpra hadin bo latre ko basau pus nam AA bat kane Seng. Uba Vicent Pala uloong ru bola yo ka shithi na ka East Khasi Hills Congress Committee ki bapan pawi ka jingkwa bo Dr. Lapang unwan phai Seng Congress. Uloong ru bola yo bontli ki phone call na ki Nongialam niam ka jilla ban Khot Biang yu Dr. Lapang ban pyniasnoh Biang Seng Congress na mar bola deiru Nongialam ubala shakri bha ya ka Seng.
There's no denying the fact from the district Congress. They have written a letter to me. I have no problem. I can share with the letter. So they want that Lapang should come back to Congress. And at that time he left the Congress because maybe because of emotional feelings at that time. So he wants to come back. There's also a letter from the East Khasi Hills District Congress Committee also who wants you to come back. I've got a series of calls from the pastors, from the church leaders, from Catholic and Presbyterian and other churches also. They said Lapang should be brought back to the Congress because he's a veteran, number one, and number two, so Lapang has served the Congress for so long. He has made the Congress very strong in Ribhoy, and all, be it Meral Bon, be it Charles Marngar, all are his. He used to work with him very closely. Charles was his staff only, and Meralban was the youth congress and other trained by Lapang. So many of people, including me, I want him to come back, and I will appeal to him to come back to the Congress. But ultimately, it's up to him. But there's a demand from all uncles that Lapang should be brought back to the party.
So has he sent any direct or indirect feelers to the party?
I have not been able to be in touch with him. No, I used to speak to him, but in front of everybody. So I have not spoken with him for politics. I did visit him once, twice as a friend, but when I visited him with all other people also, so I did not talk about the politics. But definitely, once I get this, I'll definitely approach him. And that feeling, direct and indirect, he has. I have not got it up properly, but most of his friends also approach me that if we can bring him. But to bring Lapang, I need a permission from Delhi. Any veteran Congress who left the party had been informed High Command. So to bring him, so first I have to talk to my High Command. The letters which has been given to me, I will forward it to the High Command, and then I'll talk to the High Command before talking to him.